Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is remove screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering the bezels and it's going onto the screen, so the bezels is the dark line between the screen and the side of the phone. If it's covering them, when it's going onto the screen, what can happen is simply you'll have some random touches, for example like this, and you won't be able to do anything. And also sometimes it may be like this, so you will have one touch, now one touch again, and then one touch again, for example. So if that's the case, then remove it. Now for the screen protector, if it's not applied properly here, then remove it if it's going onto the edges on the sides of the phone or anything else right here. After that, what you guys want to do is clean screen protector, sorry, not screen protector, but the screen, to remove any debris or moisture. And of course, we're going to be using a microfiber cloth for it. So a little bonus, we will be clearing the fingerprints too. So let me quickly grab the phone. Now we're going to give it a few swipes. So we're going to clean it exactly how it's supposed to be, so it's clean. And now the phone is shiny. As you guys can see, there's nothing on the screen. You guys can see it just the way that I'm pointing it, because I'm pointing it to the light. Now the screen is clean, and what we want to do next is simply restart the phone. So hold the power button, volume down button at the same time until you see this menu. Now swipe down to reboot, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is check for the software updates. So what we're going to do here is, let me quickly unlock the phone. We're going to go to the settings, and here we're going to go to about phone, and now click on the Xiaomi HyperOS right here. As you guys can see, I got no updates available. We can see that in this notification. If you missed it, then I'll show it again. Here at the bottom, we got no updates available. But if you do have an update available and you have a button to download it right at the bottom where the Xiaomi community button is, then make sure to not hesitate and make sure to update it immediately. It's very important that you get rid of any old glitches of your old software version and that you get into the newer one. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.